Hello, my name is Alex Richmond and I am from Flint, Michigan. Today's topic is the stages of electrical power transmission starting from a wind farm to a residential utility customer. So basically, in the first stage, the wind power is first converted to kinetic energy. That's used to generate electricity or mechanical power. In a single wind turbine, wind blows the anemometer and the wind vane to determine the wind speed and wind direction, to motion the wind turbine blades and how to adjust to the wind for the turbine to be running adequately. After that, the energy goes from the generator to the controller and the PLC system through the rest of the nacelle, including the high and low speed shafts, the hub, the pitch system, and eventually to the blades to start the generation of energy. All of the wind turbine energy combines to go on to the next stage. So basically, with one single turbine, you gotta combine that with a bunch of other wind turbines to create a wind farm. So with that, we'll go on to the next step. The energy leaves the wind farm and next goes to the transformer. Voltage is often stepped up into the transformer, as electricity must be traveling and transmitted in different distances, so either longer or shorter. Next stage 3, energy next goes to the transmission stage. After it arrives in the transmission, it heads to the next step where it will be used. This voltage starts to get stepped down actually. So in stage 4, the next step is the energy going to the substation. Once again, after the energy arrives, the voltage must be stepped down yet again. In stage 5, the last step, energy is stepped down to adequately meet the needs of the residential utility consumer. This is commonly connected to each residential consumer's main power box, which is connected to the electrical grid. So I do have some props to show you. So this is my sketch of my wind turbine. So you have, so basically the wind comes, hits the anemometer and the wind vane. That determines the speed and the direction of the blades. So the energy goes from there down to the generator and into the controller where the PLC system is. It then goes to the high-speed shaft, through the gearbox, through the low-speed shaft, goes to the hub, the pitch system, and that determines how the blades are positioned and how fast they are going and whatnot. It goes from there down out through the tower into the transformer. And then I'll show you my next prop that I have here. So, as you can see here, this says power plant generator. Well, it's actually where the wind farm would be. It goes to the transformer, to the transmission, to the substation, and after the substation, it either goes down to like an industrial businesses, or it goes through yet another substation to get powered down, as obviously residential customers don't need as much power as an industrial factory or plant would need, so it goes down to the residential. Another prop that I have here basically shows one wind turbine. It goes from the wind turbine to the through the shaft. It generates electricity. It mentions an inverter box that converts electricity from DC to AC. Step 5 here, you see electricity is connected directly to the main power source. Next, it either goes to a battery pack or is connected to electricity grid. So that is how those are the stages of electrical power transmission, starting from a wind farm to a residential utility customer. Thank you.